Good morning sa lahat. Mga kamagnom, kumusta kayo? Sa video nating ito ngayon, ngayong araw na ito, ay itong may ipapakita ko sa inyo na video na ngayon lang yung kalagayan ni Boying Rimulya. Nakikita natin dati sa kanya makisig at malaking tao talaga, pero ngayon guys, tingnan nyo ang kalagayan ni Boying Rimulya. Nakakaawa. Ako, kahit alam nyo naman, di ba, binabakbakan natin yan si Boying Rimulya. Dahil nga sa kanilang mapinaggagawa dati kay DJ Bantag, kung ano-ano na lang, di ba? Pero ngayon mga kamagnom, kung titingnan nyo ang kanyang kalagayan, abay talagang maaawa po kayo. Maaawa po kayo. Kasi napakapayat. Sa tingin ko nga sa mukha niya, mukhang nasa mga ano na siya eh. 110 years old. Ha? Honestly guys, yun talaga ang nakikita ko sa kanya. Kaya sabay-sabay nating panunuorin itong video niya ngayon, itong conference niya ngayon. Diba? At kayo na rin ang humusga kung ano bang nangyayari. Ano bang nangyayari sa kanya? Ito ba yung sinasabi nilang karma? Nakakaawa mang tingnan, pero sana DOJ, Boying Rimulya, going straight na tayo, di ba? Kasi nakakaawa ka po tingnan. Ito yung mensahe ko kaya Boying Rimulya. Nakakaawa po. Malaking kaibahan ang kanyang pangangatawan noon at ngayon. Kung ito man ay yung sinasabi nilang karma, aba, kayong mga nadyan sa palasyo ingat-ingat din. Okay guys, sabay natin panunuorin to.
Please be seated. To begin our program, may we call on DOJ Secretary Jesus Crispin C. Remulla for his opening remarks.
Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, today we mark a significant milestone with the signing of the new 2024 Department of Justice NPS Rules on Preliminary Investigations and Inquest Proceedings. This initiative will profoundly impact our justice system and the Filipino people. We express our heartfelt thanks to the President. There is no more fitting way to mark this historic event than to have it graced by the Chief Executive's presence. We also extend our gratitude to the Supreme Court, the Chief Justice, and all the Associate Justices for their support in consenting to the eventual transfer of the rules on preliminary investigation to the Department of Justice, in line with their consistent pronouncements that preliminary investigation is executive in nature. We have worked hard to make this possible, believing that these changes will significantly impact our criminal justice system. These rules will lead to a higher conviction rate, declog court dockets, and ensure a more streamlined justice process. The success of this initiative requires the cooperation of all stakeholders, including prosecutors, law enforcement agents, and together we will transform our justice system to meet the challenges of today and tomorrow. Let us continue to work together to uphold real justice in real time and ensure compassionate justice for all. Thank you.
Thank you, Secretary Remulla. And now, may we invite DOJ Undersecretary Raul T. Vasquez to provide us with a brief background on the 2024 DOJ National Processing Service Rules on Preliminary Investigations and Inquest Proceedings.